Good morning, it is Kat here, and today I am repairing our Code Zero. Got a pretty nasty rip in it last time it was out, so now I'm gonna sprawl it out on the dock and repair the sail. Currently trying to find the rip. Not a huge dock and a lot of sail, but we'll get to it. Found it. There she is. Bam. Let's take care of her. Here are the materials I'm working with. I have my sail. Got a nice, lovely rip in it. I have my sailrite machine. Run an extension cord to the boat. I have some navy thread. It's a pretty close match, so I'm not worried about it. And then I have some 4-ounce Dacron that I'm gonna use for the patch, as well as some of my other tools to help. First, I measured out the patch. I made it about 2 inches wide to ensure adequate room on each side of the rip. So, since it's kind of hard to move this fabric around, I'm just adding a little bit of blue tape just to hold the 2 pieces together while I'm sewing. That way nothing moves around while I'm trying to patch. Tape always helps secure things when you're working on a project. Now this blue tape didn't stick the best, so it still moved around but made it more manageable. I used the zigzag stitch on my sailrite and went over the entire patch twice. I also burned the edges along the way as I went. Woo! I double stitched it just to be extra sure I didn't have super thick thread, so going everything twice. Here we have the first patch along with the stitching for the first patch. Just inside that, you can see the stitching for the patch on the other side. Here is the second patch that is slightly smaller than the first one so that the stitching doesn't overlap. Here is my Code Zero sail repair. Let me know what you think. There she is. Time to hoist her up. Yay. Woo-hoo.